In this video, I just want to quickly go over the AI features within CapCut. They are adding tools all of the time and improving them. There are some that I would say are beneficial and others that just don't work that well. We've seen some of them before in the editing app itself with the image generation from text. And when you're selecting your assets from footage or photos, you can also generate images from scratch, which is pretty cool. But here we have things like creating AI models, AI scripts, script to video. Some of these are better than others. For example, if we go to the script to video tab, you can write your own script and it will then create a video from that script, as you see at the top. Or we can select one of these other ones down here, and it has some pre-populated questions and things that will prompt you for what the script is about. So for example, with life stories, say we were going to make a video, the theme is camping with kids. The idea is best practices for your first camping trip with young kids. And then if you want it to be any duration, 1 minute, 1 to 3 minutes, or longer than 3 minutes. And then basically from there, it's going to write a script for you. So you tap the generate script button at the bottom. It actually writes the script for you. You can go ahead and start actually editing this. There's 3 versions. If you tap this button at the bottom, it gives you 3 different versions. And then with the one that you want or the one that you've edited, editing here with the little edit icon in the top, tap generate video. You can choose your local materials, which actually I think would be the best option at this point because it does use stock footage from the smart generation option, but I found that it just doesn't match exactly how you would likely want it, and we'll see that here. And that's why I think that if you have some footage, but you're struggling with putting it together, or if you just want to use CapCut to automatically put out a video for you, perhaps using this script generation or the automatic video editor, which I'll show you in a later, the auto cut, and using your own footage might look better. Because here we see this video that it's created for us.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about life stories and the best
So it has an auto-generated voice, which the voice itself isn't terrible, but it does sound a little bit over the top.
practices for your first camping trip with young kids. Camping is a fantastic way to reconnect with nature and create unforgettable memories with your loved ones. And a first trip can be both exciting and nerve-wracking.
So you can see that some of the images it selected just aren't really matching what is going on.
Tips
Some
for
are
planning
better
your first
than
camping trip
others.
with little ones. 1. Choose the right campsite. Opt for a designated campground or a local.
But at the end of the day, it truly is difficult to imagine someone sitting through this video. Perhaps using this for a short or a reel, like a 15 to 30 second reel might work out better, but it still has a ways to go before it is a usable feature. Similarly, AutoCut does the same thing. It's just where you actually just select the footage that you want to use, and then it will automatically edit it into a video. So if we selected our same footage that we used throughout this course, it will analyze that footage and put it together. You can select the templates or the style down below, and so it kind of works like the templates did, but it does it more in an automated. We already saw this in a previous lesson, but you can get straight to the text to image generator here, and let's do a new generation. We didn't look at all of these filters down below. You can choose what type of image you want to create, the aspect ratio, the quality, then tap generate. So if you're not interested in going over to Midjourney or DALL-E or any of these other tools, it's awesome that CapCut has this image generation tool right within their app. And it does a pretty good job. Based off of the prompt, you can regenerate if you want to see some more options. You can tap modify and you can add more details. You can give it a style, whether it's a cartoon or a sketch or any other sort of description that might get it a result that you're more happy with. So those are some of the AI features within CapCut. Pay attention to the tools up here as new ones are being added and updated all of the time. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in another lesson.